creeper. Shit been fucked up at the crib, lashing out on the teacher. Grandma taking me to church, I fell asleep on that preacher. Changed clothes, hit the block, hard-headed and eager. We just trying to stay afloat, but this shit getting deeper. I'm just trying to talk to you and tell my life through these speakers. Yeah, I conquered them struggles, I just had to stay focused. Told myself that I'm the greatest, I won't wait till they notice. When nobody held me up, when I was down in my lowest. I'm the only one believe when everybody was hopeless. I done got so used to funerals, can't show no emotion. Man, this lifestyle crazy, so this shit get atrocious. Like 1 minute on that block, you just laughing and joking. Now your man shot up on that ground, gasping and choking. In them streets deep, we was mobbing. Went from innocent to goblins. Had to take, we started robbing. Catch some white folks while they jogging. Battle skies, we hate the rain. Bullet wounds, steady throbbing. Fiends looking like zombies. Half dead, they just nodding. That peer pressure coming at you, and it's too hard to die. Got dreams to make the league, late night plans might sabotage. My homie made the news, he supposed to be on ESPN. Came and left the same day. RIP to the twins. Doctor said he can make